So hi, I'm excited to be here today to talk to you about people we build, or people that not exist but we build. Because we are entering a time where decisions are no longer shaped by human experience. They are shaped by simulated futures, by people who literally don't exist. Not avatars, not chatbots, but synthetic humans, which means generative models of culture, behavior, and emotion. So this is not about predicting the future. It's about leading. It's about leading with the confidence of having already explored it. And the real question is not if this will change leadership. It's whether we all here, are ready for it. So let me start with something that sounds totally wrong. So some of the most important decisions we make today are influenced by people who just don't exist. Not influencers, not fictional characters, but synthetic humans. And I mean generative models of culture, emotion, and behavior. And once you realize that, you understand that I don't talk about technology today, although technology is an important part of it. It's a leadership story. So let's look back. So for decades, inside work relied on three assumptions. Number one, the past predicts the future. Number two, people can explain their own behavior. And number three, meaning remains stable over time. And I think we all know all three are breaking. Culture now moves faster than measurement. Behavior changes faster than validation. The problem at the end is not bad research, it's latency. And by the time we understand what happened, the next cultural shift is already underway. And that forces us to rethink from the beginning what insights are for. So synthetic humans are not digital mascots. They are generative models which are trained on cultural signals. For example, language, media behavior, emotional trade-offs, and also decision patterns. They don't represent individuals. They represent probabilities of behavior. So I think we need to think of them as living hypotheses about society. So I started to talk about the former insight work. And we all know traditional insights answer, what happened? Synthetic models nowadays answer what could happen if we choose differently. So this is not prediction, this is pre-experience. So we don't wait for reality to validate ideas. We explore consequences before reality happens. And this is the big shift which we explore at the moment. And this also changes how creative work, media planning, and brand strategy interact. Ideas are stress tested before launch. Risk moves upstream where it belongs. And what is important to keep in mind is that synthetic humans, they don't eliminate bias. They relocate it. And I think this is one of the most important insights we generate on a day-to-day basis, working with huge databases where we generate those synthetic humans. Because bias no longer sits in the respondent, it sits in the data selection, it sits in the model design, and it sits in the interpretation. So the danger is not the artificial intelligence, the danger is the unquestioned intelligence. What does this mean for leadership? Because leadership is no longer about choosing between data or instinct. It's about using intelligent systems to challenge both. Synthetic leaders synthetic humans, don't tell leaders what to do. They show leaders what they haven't considered yet. So it's the other way around of looking at the data. So my belief is, if we want these systems to make us better leaders, we need 3 things to remember. We need to design with intention. We need to govern, or we need governance with transparency, and we need collaboration that keeps humans in the loop. And this is not an IT challenge. It's not a technology challenge. It's really an organizational one. Synthetic humans won't replace human judgment, but they can expand our understanding of culture, behavior, and our own blind spots. So the future is not artificial, but it's definitely augmented. Thanks so much.